Welcome to the JobTread Connect Prep series. This series of videos is going to get you well equipped to attend the conference and make the most of your experience. First, we need to make sure that your JobTread settings are all set before we get started. So any administrators in your organization can go to the Settings tool from the main navigation, and then in the General tab, make sure that all of your details in the General settings are filled out to match your business practices. Also, go into the Members tab and make sure that all of your internal users are added and that they have a role assigned to them along with any rates if they're using the time tracking tool. You can set up the various roles and their permissions in the Roles tab, and here is where you're going to choose what they have access to so they can access the right tools when they're learning at the conference. Next, I'd like you to go into Document Templates. Let's go into each document template that is on this list and add in your own settings as well as your own terms and conditions and contract language in each of the documents. If you need additional document templates, just go into the Document Templates tab and click on Plus Template in each of the sections. Now we want to go into our Job Costing tab. This is where you're going to identify your units of measurement that you typically use. Delete those that you don't need and make sure that you add others that you need. Scroll down to then go to your cost types. Your cost types give you the ability to have a default margin, to identify which cost type is time trackable or not, and also to say whether the cost type is taxable or not. Now, I can't stress this enough. Keep your cost types list very small and then add as the need arises. And then we have our cost codes. Your cost codes are your back-end accounting codes. We need to make sure that these cost codes match your QuickBooks if you're using the QuickBooks integration. They will be your products and services. If you're not using the QuickBooks integration, don't worry. We have several templates that you can use for your cost codes, or you might already have a list of your own. Either add them one by one or contact your customer success manager and they can help add them for you. The other tab that we definitely need to focus on is our Custom Fields tab. This is where you're going to be adding in your custom fields for any place in JobTread, whether that be your customer accounts, your customer contacts, your vendor information, your job locations, your jobs themselves, cost item custom fields. There's so many here. There is going to be a video in the following prep series that walks through how to create these custom fields. Let's just make sure that we get those set up and that you feel good about them before coming to the conference. Lastly, it is so important that we have our customer data, our vendor data, and all of our cost item data in JobTread before the conference. So you can do so yourself by going to the customer directory, the vendor directory, or even your catalog, and then you're going to click on the import tool on the top right. This is going to show you a video of how you can import this data yourself. In fact, you also will have a download of a CSV import template. It's an Excel spreadsheet where you can drop all your data into the spreadsheet and then it's already pre-formatted for the import. Now, if you're concerned about doing this yourself, don't worry. Your customer success manager can also help import this data for you. So definitely reach out to your customer success manager and they can make sure that you're set up for the conference as well. We so look forward to seeing you down here in Dallas, Texas. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any additional questions, but also make sure that you walk through all of the prep series videos so you're adequately prepared for the experience. Thank you.